Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to power off your Samsung Galaxy A27. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and press the power button and the volume down button. So you need to press and hold it, because otherwise if you just click it, you will do a screenshot. What we're gonna press here is turn off, and once we click turn off, we're gonna click sorry, not turn off but power off. We're gonna click on power off right now, and we see the logo. Now once the screen goes black, the phone basically turns off, and now it is turned off. So the only way to turn it on is by pressing the power button only. So we're not pressing no more buttons, for example like volume down or up. We're just pressing the power button right at the top here. We're gonna press and hold it until we see the Samsung logo, and as you guys can see, the phone is now restarting. So we are waiting for it, and that's how you guys can power off your phone. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.